All right, guys. This is like a quick trade recap of today, and I just kind of want to update you guys of what's been going on, why I've been a little bit less active, and what tomorrow and the rest of the week is gonna look like for the Discord and stuff. So, first, let's go over the trade, and then I'll explain everything else after. So, going into the morning, if you saw my pre-market text, I did say I wanted to see this 1 hour get tapped into, and then see how we react off open. So market opened, we ended up coming down, tapping into the 1 hour for value gap, sweeping all these 15-minute relative equal lows, which I really liked. Now, I was a bit hesitant. I did take an early entry long here, and I was quick to move myself to break even. Honestly, like I got stopped at break even here, but happens. Uh, I wanted to see it go fast, and it didn't. We had one last manipulation candle lower, and then on the second candle that we ended up pushing up, I just hesitated to enter. If I'm being honest, just I already told myself I wasn't gonna trade. I don't know if you guys could hear, but I am a little sick, so I haven't been as like wanting to trade, if that makes sense. So like you see, I just lose my train of thought. Yeah, so I've been sick, so I really haven't been feeling like trading, especially with the loss from last week. Um, like how good everything's been. I just don't want to add onto the fire, basically. So yeah, ended up missing all the longs. But if we go to this 1 hour, you can see here we have a 1 hour fair value gap and a high that is wedged inside of the fair value gap. Now, what do I always say in all my videos? Highs inside of fair value gaps are always going to be higher probable draws on liquidity. So when I see that, I know that's a draw on liquidity. I see us have a mini pullback right here, mini pullback to this 1 minute. As soon as I started seeing us wake up, I ended up entering long, targeting that high, and that was basically my trade. Ended up getting out right here on this candle, and that's simple. That was a trade, up 3.5k today. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's clear the charts and just see what we're looking at on the higher time frame now. Um, yeah, I mean, 4 hour got ran through right here. You can see. Yeah, I like this. I think this is definitely the next draw on liquidity right here. I think this is what we're gonna draw to next. And yeah, just to keep you guys updated, so I have been sick. That is why I've not been posting as much on social media, why I've not been trading as much. Um, and yeah, also the strategy video, I had it fully recorded. It was literally like a 25-minute long video, and there was no audio. And if I'm being honest, I just have been too lazy to re-record it. But I'm going to be sure to get that out because I have a lot of people DMing me on TikTok to make a strategy video, and people in the Discord also want to see it. But um, we'll be making that soon. Don't worry. I'm gonna stop slacking. Now for the rest of the week, today's Wednesday, Thursday, I have to go to Orlando. I'm going to Orlando for EDC. If you guys know what that is, it's a EDM music festival going on from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I will be back Monday, but I kind of hope that there's no news so I don't even have to look at all. And I just know that I'm not going to trade on Monday. But Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to be at EDC. And also Thursday, I'm going to Universal's theme park. Since I'm already in Orlando, might as well just go a day earlier and go to the theme parks, enjoy the day with my boy Seb. He's never been, so that's pretty much what's been going on. So other than that, next week I should be back. Hopefully I'm completely like not sick by then, and I'm completely good, and we can get back to killing it. And I'm gonna get back on my fucking grind of posting on social media a lot more and making a lot more videos and making more educational content. Might even start the boot camp when I get back. So I don't want to put my word on it, but I definitely want to start doing that stuff. So that's pretty much an update on what's been going on. Um, like I said, Thursday and Friday, I'm going to be in Orlando on vacation. I can't guarantee that I'm gonna be trading, but I'll try to tune into the Discord, help you guys out with any questions you guys have. Um, if I'm up, I will do pre-market analysis. I will send that out. I'm what tomorrow during open. I'm gonna be driving over there, so who knows? Might pull over, let you guys know what I'm looking for, just so you guys have an idea if you guys want my bias. But yeah, other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Uh, Peace.